Good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of this 2006 Transport toy hauler. Really clean unit. It's a rare find to find one in this condition in an 06. I'll start here with the outside with the stainless rock guard protector, the ladder that leads you up to the walkable roof, 2 large capacity propane tanks, 2 batteries, 4 manual stabilizers all the way around. Nice pass-through front compartment, leads you all the way through and under the bed. Full-size awning with outdoor speakers, large grab handle, chrome wheels, large capacity floor garage area. As you can see, this is an open concept. We've got about a 15-foot garage here with lots of sleeping capacity, seating capacity, nice double bowl sink with a 3-burner range and oven along with a microwave, lots of storage cabinets and extra area up here to put additional items, helmets, etc. Moving into the bedroom area, you've got the large capacity refrigerator, sink, corner bed, with a wardrobe closet and lots of storage and shelves in that area. The bathroom, we've got a nice tub shower combination with the toilet room all separate, which is nice to have that area as a separate area. You've got a fan in the bathroom. You've got towel racks. This unit came in really clean. You're seeing it as we got it. We just took it in on trade. Nice stereo system. Moving to the outside again, the graphics are all well intact. Nice large garage door for holding that side by side with that 15-foot garage. You've got a fuel station here on the side. All of your connections are right here, which makes it really handy. Sandy flush for your black tank and a 4,000 watt generator with an outdoor shower. This unit is really compact, but gets the job done, and I'd love to help you with it. Please contact me directly at ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com or 541-968-6010. Thanks and have a great day.